I've never played anything like it.
It's like you're actually inside the game.
What we've done is create the world's first complete immersion, high-def, 3D holographic gaming environment, the i3D holographic system.
Mouse, keyboard, gone.
My motion controls the game. When I move, the game moves. Forward, backwards, left, right. It frees up my gun for shooting only.
Sensors on the gaming wall read your movement and use that to control the movement of the game.
It's a point and shoot directly at targets with a laser-aimed weapon.
We can even play multiplayer.
This system, with its short throw projector, is life-size, up to a 400-inch screen in 3D. Advanced laser gun technology allows you to play Call of Duty, Medal of Honor, and most other first-player shooter games in a real-life setting and in a manner impossible on any current computer setup.
And the flight simulator games, amazing.
With the 3D, it's like you're actually flying through a real 3D environment.
It's not just a gaming system, but also an entertainment system that recreates the theater experience. Watch a Blu-ray movie in 3D on not a 60-inch screen, not a 100-inch screen, but a 200 to 400-inch screen.
Don't waste your money on an inferior system.
Which is like all of them.
Call us to book a session in our gaming theater or to price your own setup.
Get the i3D Holographic.
i3D Holographic.
Step into the future today. Call 770-997-9131.